Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn welfare definition of economics. Welfare definition has given by Alfred Marshall. According to Alfred Marshall, political economy or economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary businesses of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisite of well-being. Thus, economics is one side a study of wealth, and on the other and more important side a part of study of man. What he said, Alfred Marshall? Alfred Marshall is the first person used political economy as economics. He is the first person. Earlier, we used economics as political economy or political economic subject. He is the first person used political economy as economics. Economics, according to him, economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary businesses of life. It examines that part of individual as well as social action. Economics subject is going to examine both individual action as well as social action that should be connected with the use of material requirement of well-being. How effectively you are using this material to get well-being. Well-being means wellness or happiness. So that's why economics, one side it is studying about the wealth, and other side it is studying about a man also. What are the important features of welfare definition? First one, economics should be a science even though it is concerned about the forces of human nature. Yes, human nature changes based on many factors, many forces. But even though economics should be a science subject. He talks about the human activities that increase wealth. As an individual, what kind of activities you are doing to increase your wealth? Economic subject is going to study all kinds of individual activities. The definition gave importance to man and his welfare. Yes, this definition has given importance to man and his welfare. Welfare means well-being. It considers wealth as a way to promote welfare of human. Criticism. Welfare definition also criticized by some of economists. According to Robbins, economics is a human science but not a social science, because the fundamental laws of economics are applicable to all human beings. Yes, what he said, Robbins criticized this definition. Economics is a human science, it is not a social science. How this is applicable to social well-being? So so if you say economics is a science subject, it should belongs to human science but not a social science. Why? Because all fundamentals of laws are applicable to all human beings. Robbins criticized it is also not included non-materialistic goods which are also important. So it is not complete definition. In his definition also, Alfred Marshall not included non-materialistic goods. Quantitative measurement of welfare is not possible. What do you mean welfare? Welfare means well-being, happiness. How will you measure a particular person happiness? Is it possible? No. Welfare is a subject concept. It always changes according to time, place, and person. Marshall has focused on activities of men which promote human welfare, but production of alcohol and drugs do not promote human welfare. This is also one kind of human activity. Because of this activity, it is not promoting human welfare. Welfare definition is not concerned with the fundamental problem of scarcity of resources. Yes, we know resources are scarcity. Because of scarcity, how will you get welfare? That is also one kind of problem. This problem has not discussed in his definition. So this is a criticism given by few economists